And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop me.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Cat's first Christmas.
Hey, what you doing?
Cat's first Christmas.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas.
Cat immediately climbed up the Christmas tree to get the star. Maybe he thinks there can only be one star in our house.
You are joking me. He goes up so quick. Stop! Is it chomping it?
He wants that star.
He wants the star, so it's all he wants. He's getting it. Stop. Release your grip, cat. I took the office. Stop. Stop the whole trip.
Further proof that cats are liquid. Just look at this distinguished gentleman. It's probably the most badass cat in the world. I'm not gonna lie, but I think this cat has a very low intelligence. Bro is weighing his options. What if cats went to the gym? This dog's basketball skills are amazing. I hope the orange cat is okay and survived. Do you like wrestling?
Stay. Wait till I say go, okay? No, Getty, stay.
The fisherman treated the cats to fish. Cat takes a bath with his favorite toy. This cat knows exactly what he wants. The cat is swinging while sitting on the curtain follow. Parrots living their best life. Something tells me you don't have to beware of that dog. That dog might even be a friend.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat.
混乱するぜ。いやいや、お前も動くなよ。死ぬぞ。
Master Yoda versus the cats. Write in the comments who will win. The best gift idea ever.
The missile is very tired. He is eepy. The missile has had a very long day of splashing bandits and wants to take just a small sleep. He eeby and neebies to sleepy. Mibsile sleepy and need bed by time. The missile is currently experiencing critical levels of being a sleevagey little guy and needs to go to bed.
Remy, come. Remy, sit. Speak.
Your cat found a new friend. I hope they're doing well. This cat has achieved incredible relax. Cat be like, I see the goal. I don't see any obstacles. These cats are strikingly similar to each other and remind me of something very familiar. The best river dancer in town.
This cat looks like an ancient evil.
What did you do while I was gone today?
Committed atrocities beyond your human comprehension.
I got my boots. I got my hat. I'm bringing country back.
Starving dog trying to get attention.
You ate all your food.
Hey, get out of my sandwich. No.
You can't have donuts. Donuts are not for you. You can't have them. You can't have donuts. Blue. Okay, you can't have donuts.
Don't judge orange cats harshly. They usually just don't have a brain. One precise punch delivered with boxing precision.
What have you done? You're trying to steal the food and now you got your claw stuck.
Further proof that small dogs are very vicious. When your dog brings home a new friend.
Seen some things in my life, but I ain't never seen a pit on a bike. I ain't never seen a pit on a bike. And you holding it too.
German Shepherd stuck in a cat tree. Bro's getting ready for Halloween, kneading cookie dough.
When the picture doesn't match the words.
What's your biggest turnoff in guys? Probably when they don't work out.